Hi, Mr. P here. Thanks for stopping by. Would be really great to have you join the community, so please do hit that subscribe button. Many of the English students I've taught don't analyze or use the full range of sentence types, which is a real shame as they can really help you boost your analysis as well as make your creative writing more effective. They're also really easy to learn. So whether you're studying NYP, GCSE, IGCSE, AP or IB Diploma, these basics will be useful for you. So in this video, we'll cover what the four sentence types are, and in the next video, we'll go over why you should know them. So what are the four sentence types then? Well, the first sentence type, and by far the most common sentence type in English, are declaratives. These make any kind of statement. Now, declarative sentences are really easy to spot because they end with a full stop, and for those of you in the US, a period. And they come in different forms, I guess. One would be a statement. For example, it's cold outside this morning. Another might be opinion. I think it's cold outside this morning. Another one would be a fact. The thermometer says it's -4 degrees outside this morning. Explanation. I'm wearing my coat and a scarf because it's cold outside this morning. The second sentence type are what we call imperatives. And this is where the writer or speaker or you tell somebody to do something. And again, these come in different forms. So one would be advice. I advise you to wear a coat and scarf. It's cold outside this morning. Or more strongly, a demand. You must wear your coat and scarf this morning. Or a request. Please can you wear your coat and scarf this morning? Or an invite. Join us in the park later for a snowman building competition. We see imperatives in lots of different formats, but perhaps the one most commonly seen is in advertising. The third type of sentence are what we call interrogatives. An interrogative, very simply, is where you ask a question. These are very simple to spot because they end with a question mark. And they come in two kinds, I guess. One would be a straightforward question. Why are you wearing your coat and scarf? And the other is what we call a rhetorical question. Do you really want to freeze to death? What's the difference? Well, while an ordinary question kind of seeks information or an answer from the hearer or listener, a rhetorical question doesn't expect an answer. It's there for effect. Now, depending on the situation, the context, it's there maybe to prompt or encourage the audience, listener to consider a topic more deeply, to reflect, and it's commonly seen in persuasive texts. So, in this example here, do you really want to freeze to death? Is inviting the listener to think, yeah, it does sound cold outside. Maybe I should stick on my coat and scarf. And the fourth sentence type is what we call exclamative or exclamatory sentences. And these are used to express strong emotion or feeling. Exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark, so they're really easy to spot. A couple of examples here. It's colder than the Arctic this morning. Wow, I can't believe the weather this morning. So it's where you're showing strong emotions. That's it for now. Please do check out the next video where we'll look at why you should know these four sentence types in English. Have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.